by step, and you will eventually reach the other side of your heart. Measure the splendid life with your feet, and each experience will bring praise. Thank you for every painful time, it makes us stronger. Even if today's full of difficulties, tomorrow will definitely be easier. Let persistence become a light to illuminate our direction. Fall into a trap and climb out of the pit. Each step is easy. After hard work, sweetness comes. And this is how life is so